Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Since the working principles of all devices are the same, if you write your problems and thoughts about all brands and models in the comments, we will solve the problem immediately.
If our device does not turn on. When it is turned on, if we play with its cable or when the cable moves, it closes by itself. It means there is an electrical problem. By following the methods in this video, you can easily fix this fault. As of now, I am trying to turn on the device. First of all, we made the electrical connection. We connected with the adapter, and when we press the power button of the device, it still does not turn on. Of course, we will not give up. In fact, it is a problem we encounter in many home appliances, hair straighteners, hair dryers, vacuum cleaners, an electric blender and kitchen utensils, and often breakage may occur from the cable entry point in rondos.
By following the steps I did in my video, we can fix your faulty device in a short time and solve your problems by going step by step.
You can write your problems about all other devices you want to get information from in the comments. Our expert staff is waiting for you to answer your questions. Friends, at the end of our video, you will see what a great job we have done. While making repairs, it is necessary to give great importance to the cosmetic appearance.
Again, we will repair a device without the cost of parts. The fault solution is almost the same in devices with this and the same working principle. It is useful to follow the same methods.
Unfortunately, many repairmen do not share this information with you. Since our videos are step-by-step troubleshooting videos, I will add my other step-by-step method videos to the explanation and to the end of the video. You should also apply them. I will share with you a problem that we will encounter in all our brand and model devices and its solution. You should also see the positive comments in our other videos. In all of our repair processes, we repaired our device very easily and cost-free, and you can fix your faults by following the steps I have done. If you follow my steps on the video step by step, your fault will be solved easily and at the lowest cost. You must insulate the electrical cables very well in the operations you do. If you are not an expert on this subject, do not attempt any repairs, otherwise it may lead to dangerous results. All of our expert staff are waiting for your questions about your tablet, phone, computer and all your electronic devices and are looking forward to answering them. You must insulate the electrical cables very well in the operations you do. If you are not an expert on this subject, do not attempt any repairs, otherwise it may lead to dangerous results.
In order to reach and detect the defective part of our device, we first disassemble the device.
After connecting the broken part of the cable well, we solder it and insulate it with electrical tape. I am waiting for all your questions in the next repair process. I will answer you quickly and offer you the most suitable repair cost.
I recommend you to subscribe and browse our other useful videos. I would be very happy if you recommend my channel to your friends.
You must insulate the electrical cables very well in the operations you do. If you are not an expert on this subject, do not attempt any repairs, otherwise it may lead to dangerous results. As of now I am trying to turn on the device. First of all, we made the electrical connection, we connected with the adapter, and when we press the power button of the device, it still does not turn on. Of course we will not give up.
And the result is a very happy development. You should definitely try it. We got very good feedback in our previous videos. Write your result in the comments and we will reply. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share our video with your friends that you want to benefit from. If you write your questions and opinions in the comments, your other brand, model, printer, computer, scanner problems, I will reply as soon as possible for the solution. Thanks.